Hi, good morning. Thought I'd do a quick video on the car so you can have a look at it up close and personal. The paint on this car is outstanding, and all the panels fit like a, better than new. There's a little shot of the interior. All the glass is in really good shape, as is the hood, fenders, chrome, wheels. There's the They've done a great job on the setup on this car with the ignition and the fuel system. This was basically a frame-off restoration. A Canadian car. And I believe there's a MARTI report on it as well. And I mean, I've just gone around this car and like there's no scratches, not even a stone chip, and the underside of this car is as nice as the top. There you go. Just see down that panel.